Good day, everyone! Welcome back to Wen's Diary, and if you're not yet part of... Good day, everyone! Welcome back to Wen's Diary, and if you're not yet part of my family, please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep you posted. And we are back again for another vlog! But this time is different because we are going to unbox what I bought on Amazon, and also we are going to test it. This time, we are going to unbox this Panasonic hair dryer with 3 sets of brushes. Ayan. And also, we are going to test it kung gaano ba kabilis matuyo ang buhok ko gamit ang Panasonic hair dryer na ito. Ayan. So, hair dryer or hair blower, whatever you call it, iti-test natin kung gaano kabilis, kung gaano ka-quick matutuyo ang buhok ko gamit itong brush na ito. Ayan. So, ayun na nga. Kasi nga, dumating siya kanina, ha? Nung pagdating ko ng work, nakita ko na meron ng box in front of our door, and very excited na nga ako na gamitin ito, kaya naman naligo na ako agad para naman matest na natin itong hair dryer na ito. So, ito na nga, sa sobrang daldal ko, kailangan na natin simulan ang video. What are we waiting for? Please join me until the end of this... So, what are we waiting for? Please join me until the end of this video, and let's see kung gaano kabilis matutuyo ang buhok ko and kung gaano ka-effective itong hair dryer na ito. So, what are we waiting for? Video pa. So, Okay guys, so this is the end result of our Panasonic hair dryer with a set of 3 brushes. Ayan.
Sana all.
So, ito na yung end result niya guys. Ayan. For summary, I blow dry my hair almost 3 minutes only. Yeah, almost 3 minutes lang guys. Tapos, I set this hairstyle for about 2 minutes only. So, ayun na nga, overall, almost 5 minutes lang. On 5 minutes, na-set up ko na yung hair ko na ganito. Because I really don't need to straighten up my hair for tonight kasi matutulog naman na talaga ako. It's late here now when I'm doing this video. Sinet ko lang siya na ganyan kasi nga, I need to vlog.
Pwede na!
Okay. So, hindi ko na rin nagamit pa yung dalawang brushes natin. Ito and ito, this one. Ayan. So, meron pa tayong dalawang brushes na hindi na-try. So, ito yung pang-curling. Actually, kahit hindi naman pang-curling, pwede rin naman pang-ganto yan, yung sa baba nyo, para hindi nakatikwas. Tapos, ito is for firm yung pang-straighten din. Ayan. Kasi, matutulog na ako, guys. So, hindi ko na need pa to para magpaganda pa kasi nga, I have to sleep na din. And, okay, so for the purpose of this video is to see how quick it can blow dry my hair. So far, yung naggamit ko to ngayon is sobrang satisfied ako. I'm very satisfied with this product so far because, ayun na nga, it quickly dried my hair like almost 3 minutes only. So, if you're on a rush, if you have to go to work, na especially when you're abroad, or especially also kahit naman saan, kahit naman nasa Pilipinas kayo, sobrang traffic, you need to go early, you need to, you need to go early, going somewhere else. I don't know how to explain this. For summary, if you're on a rush, I really recommend this product because it quickly dried my hair. It's so fast, very, very fast. I can't imagine how fast I used it. So, and very convenient, and it's very light. Okay? So, this product is a lightweight blow dryer kasi hindi nangalay yung kamay ko. And ayun na nga, hindi ko naman na kailangan i-set up pa siya ng maganda kasi nga matutulog naman ako. So,
sabi mo, tulog na ako.
Okay, so for those who are searching for a hair blower or hair dryer, I recommend this product, Panasonic. It's very reliable brand na rin naman ng Panasonic, guys. So this is not sponsored, guys, but this is a quick review of a Panasonic hair blower. Ayan, so eto na nga. Ayan, for those who are looking for a hair blower that is very convenient to use, and especially for those people who are working, laging nagmamadali, sobrang importante ng oras, I would recommend this product 100%.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Yes, 100%. So, I bought this on Amazon for 5,500 yen. So, Amazon is offering the lowest price for this product because I've searched KS Denki, I've searched Kama, and I've searched eBay also. I've searched Rakuten.com. All the online stores here in Japan that would probably sell this one. Amazon offers the lowest price for this Panasonic hair blower. So, guys, ayan, if you really need this, if you are the one who are looking for a hair blower, I would recommend this one so far, guys, because it's very quick and it's very easy to use, very lightweight. And that's all because paulit-ulit na yung mga sinasabi ko. Okay, so this is the end of our video. And if you have any comments, feedbacks, or suggestions that you want me to do on my next videos, please comment it down below. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you again soon. Bye! Good night, everyone!